ingredients are following:
100 grams of butter,
118 grams of Nestlé Dolca,
3 eggs,
300 grams of sugar,
116 grams of flour,
5 cheese Oreos, the original.
Next, first we put the butter in a bowl with a chocolate. And we going to the microwave to melt it. 1 minute for a microwave.
After, we put the eggs in a bowl and mix. Mix. After, we put the sugar in the bowl. And then mix.
We mix the chocolate with a previous prepare.
When the all ingredients are mixed, we put the flour in the bowl.
Put the dough in a tray. And put the Oreos
Finally, we put the tray in oven and 20 minutes and hold.
Then we take the tray out of oven and cut brownies.
Delicious!
Delicious!
We hope you like it and
Bye!